There are only a few things you need to remember about angles for the SAT. In a triangle, the three angles add up to 180 degrees. In a straight line, the angles also add up to 180 degrees. And finally, in a complete rotation or circle, the angles add up to 360 degrees. In this diagram, we have a complete rotation, so we know already that all the angles are going to total 360 degrees. But before we start, let's check what the question wants us to find. The question asks for the value of angle x, but notice that x is actually composed of two angles. This smaller angle, which I'll label y, and this second angle of 70 degrees. So when we add up our angles, we don't want to count x and 70 because then there'd be overlap. This is how a lot of students miss this problem. So now let's start counting. Here we have a right angle, which is 90 degrees, and then 30 degrees, 110 degrees, angle y, and finally 70 degrees, all of which add up to 360. Use your calculator to be safe, but if we add these up, we get 300 plus y equals 360. And so we see that y must be 60. Now don't forget, the question wants us to find x, and x is actually y plus 70, or 60 plus 70, which is 130, and so we choose answer C.